Welcome to Finance Express Tips, the go-to channel for everything you need to supercharge your financial journey. Now, I know finance can be about as exciting as watching paint dry, but fear not. Here at Finance Express Tips, we're all about simplifying the complex, turning financial jargon into plain English, and empowering you to take control of your financial future. Now, you might be wondering, why Finance Express Tips? Well, here, it's not just about numbers and charts. It's about real-world application. I'm here to be your financial ally, providing practical tips, insightful advice, and the occasional dose of financial wisdom. So, if you're ready to level up your financial game, hit that subscribe button faster than you can say compound interest and join our community. Every week, we'll embark on a new financial adventure together, exploring topics like budgeting hacks, investment strategies, and everything in between.